Ya kani ke jing Thaw lang ya ka rinsan bani trailang ki sengriu luom hapo kalama jang ka one north east lapan mena ka nong ba Delhi do menteri rang ba ka jelam Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma bolong ru national president ka seng NPP ha ka jing lang pradyo Bikram Manikya unong seng ka Tipra Motha party UM Kikon unong aikitin berem ke BJP bu menteri sarkar ka Nagaland badu Daniel Langthasa bolong nong seng jong ka People's Party Assam kat kum ka kubor ka belayo la pentip bakane ke jing temu ka de banwan ra lang ki seng reulo ma ka we rinsan ban penmi bat ban pen sawajam ki sur halor ki mat ba pher jong ka than chte lam mi kat kum ki jing ang nuot jong ki pat ba ka de ka than kini ki dong yalam ki la pen pau bala slam bha ki dong yalam ka de ka jok menta jong ka than chte lam mi ki la kran ki jok ki mat ba ka jing sokhya jong ki pat ba ni ki rinsan ba pher bat kum ta ka bor hi kan chong e ka jing tali bat ka por kla dai ban aish ki pat ba ka we ka sur ka ban kan thop ya bor alang kila shimru ikarai ban thau kerki no ikawi ka committee bani shong perkhat lang halor ki kam ke ban le nang ni shakmat bat ban punwan dore gur kom long jong ne seng san perthai kabla terwa ban thau khnang bagi pat ba than stelam mingi ki dei hok ban yo e ka jing sha skor ka jing buram ba ka jing mi khmat leng ba ka sur san perthai ka baklan ka betli hagari kila pen pau ba ka committee ba kan sa IT ka kai phot apo sau san singi banwan Alor kini kila pen pauru ba ka jingwan lang jongki kam dei bani kon persya ikiwi pat kiseng san perthai mereka pelat jingmot khmat na ka benta ki pat ba ka than stela mini kila ong ba ka jing Thaw ya ka rensan one north east kare ka senjam ka kong san man sei kinong yalam na ka than ba banwan ra ek sur ka baklan ha ka san hima sima na ka benta ki pratlik jela jong ka than stela mini
We, the leaders from different states of the Northeast, have come together today to make a collective and a historic announcement, which is the coming together of various voices of our region to form a united, singular political entity that truly represents the aspirations of our people. For too long, we, the younger generation leaders in Northeast, have spoken about the same issues and concerns of our people, but from different platforms and political spaces. We have realized that our strength lies in unity and that it is time to give our people one collective voice. Taking inspiration from the vision and legacy of great leaders who fought selflessly for the identity and development of our land, we have resolved to carry forward their ideals by coming together under a shared vision for the future of the Northeast. Today's announcement marks the first step towards building this common platform. To take this initiative forward, we have decided to constitute a committee that will deliberate on the future course of action, including the modalities and structure of the proposed political entity. Our united effort is guided by a simple conviction that the people of the Northeast deserve to be heard, respected, and represented through a strong, unified, and indigenous political voice at the national level.
इसी के लिए we have all come together and we are starting a process. बहुत लोगों को लगता था ये होगा नहीं, लेकिन आज शुरुआत हो चुका है और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे रीजन का जो एस्पिरेशन we are all one here. I don't think many of the media people here and you are all renowned media people. Many a time you yourself have come and told us that you couldn't differentiate between one Northeasterner to another Northeasterner. We are all one here. We all have similar problems. We all have similar challenges. And I think that if we have to speak for a region, then we should all share our personal ambitions and egos and come together for the sake of our people, our communities, and speak as one singular political entity. As per the ECI rule, secular is a part of the constitutional will. And we will always speak for those people whose constitutional rights, whether it is regardless of any religion, regardless of any ethnicity, if we feel that the rights, the constitutional rights of the people are being violated, we will stand up for that. And that's why we have taken a conscious decision of this committee, which will form the principles of what this entity will be based upon.
We're not here to fight with anyone. We're not here to try to say that here we're going to contest against anybody. We are all only saying is that the platform or the entity that we're trying to create is something that the Northeast today needs. That is all that is driving us today. We take up different issues, and sometimes we find ourselves alone in taking up those issues. And we realize that those issues actually sometimes cut across the borders. But because we are different political entities, we are not able to take this. Let me make it very clear, what is driving our decision is the interest of our people and the interest of our future. That is what the primary. And in that process, we will take things forward, we will work. We are working today with the central government. We move forward and we will see. We are not here to fight anybody or to contest or something. I mean, obviously as a political party, we will contest our elections. But as I said, our primary focus is on the people of the Northeast, and the idea is to give a singular platform where people of the Northeast and different political parties can come together and be of one voice for the people of the Northeast.